Now this one we're going to cover actually disconnecting from the vehicle and not just the systems. So there's two ways to disconnect completely from the vehicle. One is the back arrow and the other one is the home button. Both will disconnect from the vehicle. So once you click on it, the first thing it asks is, do you want to save a diagnostic report? So let's click yes. You can rename your file, or you can come down here and put a license plate number. My recommendation is, if you have unit numbers, to put the unit number with the license plate. The reason being is because this file is actually hard to find in the system, because it's actually Freightliner M2 Cummins. And then this last part is a date and time stamp. So that constantly changes because the file can never be named the same every single time, because you can't duplicate files. So always save, if you have unit numbers, the license plate, and then you can search that later, and we'll cover that in the GRP module. So once you save your file or choose not to, it puts you back to the main screen. So that's actually disconnecting from the vehicle.